Hi friends, welcome back my YouTube channel Cloud Arena. I am your friend Sanjay Kumar Verma. So when you are going to provision of Azure file storage service in the Azure infrastructure, so you have a valid subscription and you have a resource group and you also have a one more thing, that is storage account, right? So I have a storage account Sanjay storage 123 and I also have a resource group, that is Sanjay resources, and I also have a valid subscription, right? So now I will show you. So first of all we will understand Azure file storage, what it does. So with the help of Azure file storage you can share of your data centrally. This service works just like a NFS service. So if you want to share of your data within a network or outside of your network, you have different services, like you have NFS, you have Samba, you have SCSI protocol. So Azure infrastructure use Samba for sharing purpose. So now try to understand how to provision. So click on storage account. So you can see this is my storage account. So here this is my service file share. Click file share service and now I will create a file share. Then click on file share, give it a name, any name. This name is Sanjay share, right? Now set the quota limit. As per your choice, you can assign the size. For example, 2 GB is sufficient for me. This is lab purpose. And now you can select the tier access. It's depend on your data optimization, which kind of data you want to access. So I am getting default transaction optimization and then click on create. Now you can see it, Sanjay share, my service is there. So now obviously I want to access of this service on my AWS instance. So now how to do it? Click on connect. Obviously you can mount on Windows, you can mount on Linux, you can mount on macOS. So in this session I will mount of this file share on Linux instance. So what to do? You can see, in order to mount an Azure file share outside to the Azure region, it is the hosted in such as a on premises on a different Azure region. You can mount anywhere. You can mount on premises, you can mount Azure cloud, you can mount GCP, whatever you want to mount it, no problem. So what to do? You will click here and you will copy of this script. Now come here, you can see this is my AWS account and currently I am inside the Singapore region. Now I will provision a one more EC2 instance. So currently you can see I don't have any kind of instance. So click on instance, launch instance. Here I will choose a Red Hat AMI. Now next, choose a region. This is root device. It's important. So one more thing, my dear friend. So I have already told you Azure share use the Samba in the backend. So when you want to mount of this service on Linux machine, so you will add the Samba protocol in your security group. If you will not allow this port, that means you can't access. If you want to allow NFS also, you can allow, no one will stop you, it's your choice. But in the backend, this will use Samba, right? Review and launch, and then launch. I have already key launch instance. So within a few minutes it will be live. Give it a name. This is RHEL server. Now try to connect. Click on connect, copy this. Where's my key? Key is inside the download. Yeah, open the git bash utility. I think machine is under process, that's why I'm getting this error. Okay, no problem. Again, let me try it now. I hope it will connect. Yes. Okay, sudo su. My friend, this is my AWS instance. You can verify the words cat etc os-release. Currently I am using RHEL 8.3. Wow. So first of all, what to do? You will update of this AMI and update of this operating system. So the best command is yum update. Sorry, it will take some time. So my dear friend, I will stop the recording, then I will resume when it will update it, right? You can see, yes. 63 packages. Now perfect, you can see. Okay, so what to do? You will install one more package, that is yum install cifs-utils. It's a Samba package -y. Fine, job done. Come here. This is my Azure platform. Copy this script and now you will make a file vim will not work because vim package is not here. Vi, give it any name, sanjay.sh. make a script file, open and paste this script, right? You can see, so it will create a automatically mount point. You can change the name if you want, but right now I'm not changing. WQ, and now what to do? Make it executable. So chmod plus X and your file name. Wow, job done. You can see file is here. It's running perfectly at its mount. Use the df-h. Wow, great, job done. So now obviously I'm going to inside the cd/mnt/sanjay share. So now I will create a resource, touch some files, sanjay ll. You can see, sorry, I have a single dot, so I'm going to remove of this rm-rf sanjay. Yes, now run this command again. Now you will one more dot. Now perfect. Now you can see we have multiple files. Yes, so this file should be available inside the Azure file storage. Come here, click on storage. This is my file share. So now you can see all files are there, but this file share is mounted on my Amazon machine. So now if you are going to upload anything from this Azure file storage, for example I am going to upload of this image, it will be reflect on my Amazon machine. Come here, hit the again of this command. Yeah, file is here, right? You can see file is there, correct? So its idea behind of this, you can mount of this file share everywhere. So file share use the Samba in the backend. So please enjoy, stay safe, bye bye, good day.